Step 1. Sit down flat on the floor with your legs extended straight out in front of you, about shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your chest up. Lock them knees out and point them toes up. Step 2. Grab your barbell and go with the grip just outside of shoulder width, making sure your elbows stay directly under the bar, keeping your forearms vertical. Step 3. Brace your core. Now this is critical. Take a deep breath into your stomach, not your chest. Locking your abs and squeeze your glutes, flexing your quads. Step 4. Drive that weight straight up, overhead in one smooth, controlled motion. At the top, lock out fully with your biceps in line with your ears, shoulders engaged, core tight. Step 5. Lower the weight back to the starting position under control. The Z press is one of the best overhead pressing movements to build real shoulder strength and core stability. It adds some major mass to your shoulders, accelerating growth and insinuating that beautiful V-taper that will make people call Sam Bernstein because they just crashed their car looking at you walk by.